Japan is one of the safest countries in the world. But behind closed doors, Japanese women are becoming increasingly vulnerable. Excessive alcohol consumption is fueling a rapid rise in domestic violence. To address the issue, Yaocho, a bar chain in Tokyo, started a socially conscious campaign encouraging responsible drinking. Introducing the Violent Coasters. We designed a series of traditional coasters using portraits of typical Japanese women. The coasters were printed with thermochemical ink technology that would shock patrons into drinking responsibly. Whenever a glass was placed on the coaster, the coldness of the glass would make the ink react, revealing cuts and bruises on the women's face. This way, every time drinkers raised their glasses for a sip, they were confronted with a shocking image completed by the line, "Don't let excessive drinking end in domestic violence." In this campaign, each downing of a glass metaphorically demonstrated a woman being hit in the face. The activation became a talking point across bars in Tokyo and is proving to be a real deterrent. The Violent Coasters by the Yaocho Bar Group.